Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to reset this PSVR2 sense controller. If the sense controller is not able to pair right, you can easily reset your PSV console. First I will take this left one. Okay, what you need to do is you need to have the pin like this. It's a SIM card pin, or you can use paper clip. And here you can see this tiny hole here. There will be tiny hole here. So you need to insert and press the button. Before you do the reset, right, you need to shut down your PSV console. So shut down, turn off. It should be completely turned off. Yes, it's completely turned off. Now I'm going to use this pin to insert in this tiny hole. Insert it gently and press and hold 3 to 5 seconds. 3 to 5 seconds you need to press and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then take it. So reset is done. The same way, if your another sense controller is not able to pair, or any connection issues, or any calibration issues, you can follow the same. So gently insert and press and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. So both reset is successfully done. Taking the pin out. Now I'm going to try and connect it. So I'm going to start this PSY. Started. Take this wire, USB cable. It will be very much easy. Insert it. Insert it. On the other hand, you need to insert it to PSV console and then press this PS button. Your PSVR2 sense controller is connected. And I need to remove the wire because I need to connect the right one. So insert the USB cable and then press this PS button. So that's friends, it's connected. Super cool. So now you can see both VR sense controller is connected. Now you can take the wire if you have enough charge. Or you can connect through Bluetooth. So you need to tap this settings and come to accessories. First I will remove this. We need to go to this Bluetooth accessories. And here I'm going to select it. Delete. It's deleted, right? So now I'm going to pair via Bluetooth. Press and hold this PS button and this options button together. It should be blinking like this. You can use another controller. So PSVR2 sense controller is detected. I need to tap X. You want to register? Yes. It's connected. So the right side I have successfully connected. The same way I'm going to remove this left side controller, delete it. But easiest method is to use a wire. So to connect this left side controller, you need to press and hold this PS button and the create button together for some seconds. Press and hold. On this back side, the light should be blinking like this. Okay, now it is ready to pair. Use another controller. VR2 sense controller left is found. So I need to tap it. This light will be stable. And using another controller. Yes, it's successfully connected. So this is the way you can connect through Bluetooth. So that's it friends. If you have any issues, right, you can reset your PSVR2 sense controller. That's it. Hope this video is very helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback from media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.